How to download music on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually upload or download music from Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to download a music on Spotify, if you open up the Spotify app and then you log into your account, you go to the Your Library section and you go to a certain playlist where you've added a couple of songs. Now if you want to download songs from that playlist, you just need to tap on the little download icon. But unfortunately, one caveat over here is that you need to have a premium account to be able to download songs. So unless you have got a premium account, you can see it says download to listen offline. You need to get the premium plan. If you don't have a premium plan, unfortunately you will not be able to download songs on Spotify or the music. But if you have them, no problem, you can simply download it and then you'll be able to find them later on. This way you'll be able to download music on Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.